Hello, my name is Jenna and I'm going to be talking to you about doing your laundry and taking out your garbage while at Innis residence. Laundry rooms are located on the 2nd, 4th, and 6th floors of the residence. Last year we got brand new washers and dryers and new ways to pay for your laundry. The easiest way to pay for your laundry is to download the app and upload funds to your account electronically. The app has handy functions like telling you which machines are available in the building and notifying you when your laundry is done. The washing cycle takes about 40 minutes and drying takes about an hour. Please be sure to be prompt when taking out your laundry so the machines are available for other people to use. Also, please be patient if all of the machines are in use, and do not take other people's laundry out of the machines. If you don't want to download the app, you can pick up a laundry card from the front desk. You can load funds onto this card using a credit card at the loading machine in the lobby. If you have any questions about doing your laundry or how to pay for your laundry, there are lots of helpful posters in the laundry rooms to help you out. When it comes to taking out your garbage, you must do so yourself, and it's important that you do this regularly and often to keep your suite clean. The recycling rooms have 2 bins that separate paper and plastic. Make sure you're following those signs and recycling properly. The garbage chutes are located at the end of each hallway, with the exception of the 1st floor. If you live on the 1st floor, you'll have to go up to the 2nd floor to put your garbage down the chutes. Please make sure you're using appropriately sized bags so that you do not clog the garbage chutes. Finally, you'll receive 10 compost bins for your suite per semester. You can line these compost bins with newspaper so that you get more use out of them. To dispose of your compost, you need to take the compost bin out to the residence walk. You'll see green bins with an orange lid in the alley beside the dumpsters.